Bang. This is 3 at 3. 3 at 3, we're going to bring you the unusual activity that we found so far today. So let's dive into it. I'll have John Farrow advance the slides. Unusual activity is any activity that our computers deemed big enough on the offer side, meaning that they bought on the offer, because that's what we care about. That's somebody who wants a leveraged return. Thought I'd inform you, of course, that Moody's did indeed turn negative on U.S. credit, and that's ticking some people off, I guess. But if you run up $34 trillion in debt, not that all of it was just recently, but it's been building, and it is a astronomical number, folks. That's why Moody's is turning negative on it. Here's a trade we had from just a couple weeks ago, end of October. We had this one for uranium, URA, and they were buying upside calls in URA, and they did pretty well on those because the stock moved up by, about $2, which is okay by all of us. My brother Pete and I cheering on you and our trades as well. And now let's take a look at some fresh meat for today. SQM. This one, $49 stock. They're buying the 5250 calls. My modus operandi is I like buying the at the money calls, not the out of the money calls. Why? I'm not asking the stock to move as much. Even though these are December, I'm looking for movement, but I don't have to have explosive movement to get paid. That's the way I like to play. So SQM, $49 stock. They're buying the Dees 5250 calls for $1.15. Kraft Heinz, they're buying the November 3350 calls. So these calls expire this Friday, folks. So be aware, they expire this Friday. It's a $33 shot, and they're buying the 3350 calls that expire this Friday. Doesn't take a lot for us to have a double here, but you got to be ready for fast time decay, because it will indeed be intense. Lastly, Disney. The 22nd of December, which is not regular December expiration, because it's the third Friday of each month is the regular expiration. This would be a week beyond that. So Disney, $88.73, call it $89. They're buying the calls that are about $2 above that. You could still buy at the money if you want, and sell upside calls against it. When my hands are pulling in like this, I'm buying. Out like this, I'm selling. You guys know how it works. All right, Rebellion. The Market Rebellion site has everything you guys need, education and subscriptions. So go to marketrebellion.com for more. That's marketrebellion.com for more. Or you can go to marketrebellion.com/get started if you'd like to be learning options from us as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. We have it all. Check it out at marketrebellion.com/get started. And thanks for joining us. Bang.